Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum. So my name is Nur Atika binti Abdullah. My metric number is S59946. My selected company revenue for review is Masing Group Berhad. Masing Group Berhad. Okay, so for the Masing Group company background, since 1994, Masing Group Berhad has been a real estate developer and a plastic product maker at 1965. The Klang Valley, Johor Bahru, Penang and Kota Kinabalu are where the majority of the group's real estate development project are located. The group primary target market is the moderate to high end of the business housing market. Masing Group Berhad was founded in 1992 and listed on Bursa Malaysia in 1992. In 1994, Masing entered the property development business. The next is accounting policy and standard applied by Masing Group, which is applied by under MFRS 15. Revenue from contract with customer. The core principle of MFRS 15 applied by Masing Group is that recognized when the goods or service are transferred to the customer at the transaction price. The group recognized revenue over the period of the contract for reference to the progress toward complete satisfaction of that obligation performance. The group has been prepare all financial statement based on Malaysia Financial Reporting Standard (MFRS), International Financial Reporting Standard (IFRS), and requirement of the Company Act 2019 in Malaysia. The reporting period for the statement is from 1 January 2020 to 31 December 2020. Okay, the next one is recognition and measurement of the revenue. So there is 5-step model to account for revenue arising from contract with customer. The first one is identify contract with customer. The second one is identify performance obligation in the contract. Third, determine the transaction price. Fourth, allocate the transaction price to the performance obligation in contract. And the last one is recognize revenue when or as Masing Group satisfy a performance obligation. Company revenue. Types and classification. There is 3 types of revenue. The first one is sales of complete property and or land. Revenue is recognized upon delivery of properties or land where the control of the properties or land has been passed to the buyer. The second one is sales of goods. Revenue recognized upon delivery of goods where the control of the goods has been passed to the customer, or performance of service, nets of sale, and goods and service tax and discounts. The last one is other revenue. Other revenue earned by the group are dividend income, interest income, rental income, hotel room rental and hotel related income, and other hotel related income. Main revenue of the company. The main source revenue of the company is development project such as M Vertica in Cheras, M Sentura in Sentul, and Meridian S East in Johor, which all contribute significantly to the group success. M Oscar in Kuching Lama, M Aruna in Rawang, M Arisa in Sentul, M Luna in Kepung, M Adora in Wasa Melati, South Bay City in KL Soft, Feringgi Resident and South Bay City in Penang, Sira Perdana, Meridian at Medina, and Masing I Patch in Johor are among the other projects that contribute. The group net profit increased by 94.28% to RM 80.68 million for the half year ended June 30, 2021 from RM 41.53 million the previous year, while revenue increased by 27.21% to RM 852 million from 69.75 million. As we can see, this is a few project by Masing Group. Okay, the next one is impact after pandemic COVID-19. There is a few impact on Masing, which is the first one is home-based operation. Operation of the company was conducted remotely from home. The second one is construction halted. Construction of all property project were halted during the MCO period. And the third one is housing loan delays in mortgage approval treated to slow conversion. And the last one is closure of sales gallery. The property sales gallery had to close during the MCO. The revenue for the fiscal years ending in 2020 was dropped roughly 40% from the previous year. However, there is no big impact on the recognition and measurement of asset and liability as at 31 December 2020. Does master and group accounting for revenue are made in accordance with a relevant standard? The answer is yes, because they use 5-step model to account for revenue arising from contract with customer. Second one is specific the accounting for the incremental cost of obtaining a contract and directly related to fulfilling a contract. The third one is require entities to exercise judgment from taking into consideration all of the relevant facts and circumstances. And the last one is require revenue be recognized at an amount that reflect the consideration. That's all from me. Thank you.